Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can calculate differences between dates. For example, start date, that is the date, end date. We have 24 years, 291 months, and these days. Let's do it. 4 years, just insert equal sign, dated if, bracket, select this one, then this cell, comma, this cell, comma, double quotation, 4 year, insert capital Y, double quotation, close it, enter. Directly we have 24 years. If you click here and double click, calculate the years for the other cells also. 4 months, the same way, insert dated if this date, comma, this date, comma, double quotation. 4 months, insert M capital, double quotation, close bracket, enter. Directly it calculates the months. Double click here, calculates the months for the other cells. 4 days in the same way, equal sign, dated if, bracket, this cell, comma, this cell, comma, double quotation, capital D, double quotation, close it, enter. For the other cells, just double click here. If you change date, for example, I change it to 2005, automatically years and months and days updated. If you see it helpful, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.